Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js and Supabase. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to install the Supabase. Okay, so go to the terminal and install this. After this installation, let's create the lib and superclient.js. So here we go with this one. In the app, I'm going to create a new folder which name is lib. In the lib, I need to create a file which name is supabase client.js. Whatever name you want to make, you can create that file. Okay. Now I'm going to put the code over here. Okay. So let's add this. Now we have to create .env file. If it is not there, then please create it. Okay. So here we go with this one. So just create touch.env. Okay, so here we go with the env file, and let's put the credentials like this. Okay, so you have to go and just put the url and the anon key. So here we go with this one. So anon key is there, so let's put the anon key over here. And after this, you have to go with your supabase url. So let's copy and just put it over here. I think the same thing we have copied, right? So it should be like the url on the top of it. Okay, so this is the url which we have pasted. Okay, done. Next we have to go with the pages users.js file. Okay, and put the code over here. So here we're going to put the code and export the default. Okay, so just use this one, and we will use the home page, right? So here we go with app, and we have in about, we will move the pages.js, or contact we can move. Okay, let's add it. So make sure if you're using the use effect or something, control Z. Okay, we have the pages.js we have. So let's make it pages.js, and we will make it like save this and run npm run dev. Okay, so nvm use node 20, and we will go with install supabase here like this. And now we will use npm run dev, and here we go with this one. I think it will give me the error for the use client. Okay, so here we go with the use client. I need to be added on the top of it. Okay, because it's client side, cannot resolve this one. So one dot I think will help me save this. Now here you can see the data is fetched from the Supabase. If I go over here, if I go to the tables. Okay, so here you can see the users table, and we have a two records. Here you can see Rajnikant and the Ramesh, and the username is Rajni90 and the Ramesh 88. The same thing you will get it over here. So let's dive into the code level how we have done this. So first of all, go to the lib and Supabase client. So here we have a create client from the Supabase. Supabase URL, Supabase key, how to get it, I already told you. Okay, so you have to go to your Supabase, and here we have the project settings. Go to your API. Here you get the URL and the anon and the service role. Put it over here, right? Next we have a page.js file. So here we go with this one, and this is the client side. So import the lib super client, and then you have to get it from the Supabase database with the help of the from user. Select all the data. Okay, error fetching the users, and set the, and if there's something went wrong, it will go with the this block, and if the data is there, then set that into the state of the users, right? And then map users dot map with the, and with li, and you have to add the key. Okay, so this is the mapping. Loop it, and whatever data want to show you can show, or whether you want to go to show with the name also or email, you can directly go with this one. Like user dot name field is also there, and the email is also there. I will show you. Email is also there, so I can put over here email, and here we go with this one. So name is there, everything is there. Okay, so here you can see that and export that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. So this is basic integration with the Next.js and the Supabase. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Have a great day.